Hello everyone, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on a floral arrangement. I've already almost finished this one. I have a couple things I need to add to it. First of all, when you're making a floral arrangement, you always want some pieces to come down and then you want other pieces to come up, but don't get too carried away with it. I like usually on one side you'll see it going up and then you'll see it coming down. And so you can see this coming down and then this going up. So it's just a constant like wave. I want to add these two little picks right here in the center. I'm going to show you some of the supplies you need. There is a piece of styrofoam in the bottom of that. You can see this is the kind of styrofoam you want to use for satin flowers or artificial flowers. And this sticky stuff is called clay adhesive, and you just pull a piece off and work it in your fingers and then stick it around it and then put it in whatever container you want to use it for, and it will adhere to that. And as you can see, it's not coming out. You want to use hot glue, of course. Floral picks, which are these little wooden sticks with the wire coming off. Floral tape, and it comes in different colors. I even have a silver glittery one. When you use floral tape, I always just tear off a piece and then you pull it tight, and that will release the glue. Floral pins, which are these neat little pins right here, and always add a little dab of hot glue on the ends of those. And if I needed to secure more of this in, I would hot glue and then I would just push it all the way in. These work great on cemetery pieces if you're working with a saddle, because when you turn it upside down, it's just like a wire form and then you put styrofoam on it, so this helps secure them. Okay, and I always have pliers that you can cut wire with, because scissors are not going to work and you just end up ruining them. Now let's say you have a pick and it's not long enough. That's what these come in handy for. You want to take one of these and just put it along your stem wherever you need it, and then you would wrap the wire tightly around, and then after you wrap the wire, you take the floral tape and you would just secure it very tightly and just wrap it all the way around, and you use as much tape as you need to cover everything. And if you're working with greenery, you know, green works the best because it's going to camouflage. And then now it's a long pick. I'm going to show you with this one. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the bottom of this because that's going to secure it into the styrofoam. And then I'm going to take it and put it in here and just push it into the styrofoam like so. It's that simple. And just, you know, just have fun with your arrangements. Don't worry about people saying that it has to be this way or that way. Just do it how you like it. And just, you know, have fun and experiment. That's what I did. You'll get better and better. Thanks, guys. God bless.